to enable guest accounts from the lock screen in Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Play Store and download this app, Android Hidden Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply install it and then open the app. In here, you'll find search bar on top. Simply search multiple accounts. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on it and then click on add user. Add username. After you're done adding username, click on add user and make sure you turn on add users from lock screen option. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to enable guest accounts from the lock screen in Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.